and here we taken the name of first equation and second equation. From first equation we get x plus y is equal to 4. Now we can take the value of x or take the value of y in terms of x or in terms of y, and just let us suppose that we take the value of x in terms of y, and we have x plus y minus x is equal to 4 minus x. Just we have to cancel x, and now we have find the value of y in terms of x, 4 minus x, and just substitute the value of y is equal to 4 minus x in a second equation. And from second equation we have x cube plus y cube is equal to 16. In place of y we have substitute 4 minus x, and we get x cube plus 4 minus x whole cube is equal to 16. And we know that a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. And here a is 4 and b is x. We have to just apply this formula, and we get x cube plus 4 cube minus x cube minus 3x square into 4 square plus 3 into 4 into x square is equal to 16. And now we have to just simplify this, and we get x cube plus 64 minus x cube minus 3 into 16 of x plus 12x square is equal to 16. And we get x cube plus 64 minus x cube minus 48 of x plus 12x square is equal to 16. And now we cancel out x cube by x cube. Remaining is 64 minus 48 of x plus 12x square is equal to 16. And here is the 64 minus 48 of x plus 12x square minus 16 is equal to 16 minus 16. And remaining part is 48 minus 48 of x plus 12x square is equal to 0. And here is 12x square minus 48 of x plus 48 is equal to 0. And we have to just multiply both side by 12, and we get x square minus 4 of x plus 4 is equal to 0. And here it become x square minus 2 into 2 of x plus 2 square is equal to 0. And it become a minus b square is equal to 0. Here a is x and b is 2, and the formula is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here is x is equal to 2 at 2. There are two value of x, and now we find the value of x power 4 plus y power 4. We have to find the value of y, and from first equation we have y is equal to 4 minus x, and in place of x we just substitute the x is equal to 2, and we find the value of y is equal to 2. Now we find the value of x power 4 plus y power 4 is equal to 2 power 4 plus 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is equal to 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. This is our required solution. If you are new here, you can subscribe our